Paul, thank you very much for joining us and helping us to understand how it is that green chemistry is helping to improve the sustainable footprint of the pharmaceutical industry. But it's an unusual industry. In many cases, we're trying to actually change the final product. Other industries, we're trying to change what it is that we interact with so that it's safer, cleaner, whatever, what have you. In the pharmaceutical industry, though, we don't want that final product to change. We want that medicine to stay the same. So where is it then that green chemistry is having an impact in your industry?
The most tangible impact, James, in our industry is in how we make those final medications. We make them in huge vessels, literally make hundreds of kilograms of compound, using thousands of liters of solvents on a daily basis to make the medication you have in your hand.
And so if we're looking at that, again, how things were traditionally done, what kind of changes has green chemistry brought into the manufacturing process to reduce the sustainability, to improve the sustainability footprint of the pharmaceutical industry?
One of the methods is firstly, solvent minimization. Secondly, the change in the solvents we've used, looking at more benign reaction media, water to promote the reactions. We've also looked at reducing the energy we put into our processes. This is either through use of catalysis, little small molecules to drive reactions, or changing away from the sources of energy we've used, moving from classical energy sources such as heat, and looking at things like light or electricity or mechanochemistry to drive our processes.
Wonderful. All toward getting those medicines to us in a more sustainable, efficient way, and frankly, a more cost-effective way for the industry as well, right?
Absolutely.
Terrific. Well, again, Paul, thank you so much for joining us to help us understand, giving us this peek into green chemistry in the world of the pharmaceutical industry.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you, James.
And to the listeners, I really encourage you this time to go and watch the full interview. There's a lot here. This is a pretty complex topic, but there's some really powerful stuff being done. And Paul does a wonderful job of guiding us through it in a much longer sense. So please do go take a look at the full interview if you have a chance. And thank you very much.
Thank you.